Good morning. I think it's fogging up. Can you hold this? It's raining, so our morning of getting able to do like maybe Hagrid's, I'm not quite sure because I don't think it's running in the rain, but we decided to do the boat today and just showed up. We've only waited maybe like 5 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and get on that and experience this now. Yay! We did stop up at the club level and we got some cereal and some like croissants, water and stuff for the park, so we're all set up. But I'm not sure what's going to be like with the rain and what's going to be available. So even though we're getting an early start, I'm not sure if it's really going to pay off this morning. So we'll see. That was my little shirt, my little camera cleaner. Complimentary Universal Express Unlimited Access. For more details, so there's Universal Studios, so you walk right out of our hotel and you can get in right there. Of course, it doesn't look like there's any line over there this morning. I think, oh, I guess that's true. It was like 7:40, I think. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so it's like 20 after 7, so yesterday I think we got in line, I think it was like 7:40-ish. Here's all Citywalk. That's where we had lunch yesterday, Margaritaville. And then today we're having lunch at that chocolate factory. Chocolate factory, buddy.
There's your thing. Factories. Factories that make chocolate.
Alright, but it's still rainy, so I'm going to turn you off now. So at least we're here and we're a little closer. And I think the rain is going to stop. We just looked at the weather and it said like, I think at 8 o'clock it's still supposed to rain, but not as much. So hopefully it will lighten up and we don't have to be dealing with the rains as far as like the rides and stuff. All right, so it is 8 o'clock. We got in, they started letting us in about 7:45, and now we're in line for Hagrid's. I think they said it's like a half an hour wait possibly, so we're in line, but we're just kind of walking. That was much more organized, I felt like, than yesterday. Like of not having to wait in the line. So yeah, so the water taxi definitely worked out better. I don't know how much I showed you yesterday, or of the last vlog, of Harry Potter, I guess Wizarding World of Harry Potter, I don't know. Or here's Hogsmeade. It's really like themed really cool.
Oh, we're gonna get an old blood beer?
Oh, maybe. I might want to try a frozen one this time.
I don't like butterbeer.
Look, there's smoke coming out of the train. Or steam, I guess. It's a steam train. No, coal, right? Smoke.
Use the magic.
Oh yeah, on these windows you can use your wand and use magic.
We're headed for lockers.
So Hagrid's was super fun. They did have a delay, and then we got on it, and our ride actually stopped in right after like the drop area for about 10 minutes. I was like, oh, are we going to be evacuated? And we didn't, but it was super fun. I really wish that that's what Mine Train could have been. especially in the center of the park and how fun it is. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. But now we're gonna head out back over to VelociCoaster because we love it. Yeah. So it said the wait time was 70 minutes, but we're a lot closer than where we were yesterday, and I don't even know if it was even 20 minutes then. We're already like in the room with all the details.
No, it said 40. Sorry guys,
No worries.
Don't forget to empty your pockets. You will be going through metal detection. Make sure to empty any beverages into the sink before placing it in the locker. When you disembark, you will arrive to the other side of the lockers. So hold on to your ticket.
How excited are you, buddy?
Very.
What about you?
I think I'm gonna ride with Ellen.
Oh, you want to?
I don't know.
Yeah, you can.
We try and get the front.
I would love to get the front on that.
You know what? The front that I'm riding with now.
There he goes. Ooh. That was cool.
So hold on to your
So Aaron's gonna ride with Daddy
Look for
again.
key markers.
Are you wearing glasses or not? Probably not.
Probably not, yeah.
So I put those in the bag now.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Right here. Ooh. We just got off the ride. Such a good ride. I cannot say enough good things about that. So smooth, so good.
I'm scared to death again.
My favorite is like the very end, it flips you and you're like over water, just like hanging. It's perfect.
When we were just hanging down, it's better than the one because we were like constantly moving.
Do you like this shirt? We're gonna get the boys some VelociCoaster shirts.
I know sure that looks
All right, so now we are going back into the Harry Potter area. I think we're gonna take the train over to where Islands of Adventure right now, take the train over to Universal Studios. Because we wanna do the Escape from Gringotts, and then do some other rides over there. And it's an easy way to get from one park to the next, and it's kind of a new experience for us too. Oh, there's that hippogriff thing or something.
the other one.
Okay, Harry Potter people, do not kill me. Oh, there's a VelociCoaster from this side. Here's the Hogwarts Express. Oh, here we go, Hogsmeade to London King's Cross, right? Is that it, Daddy? Follow your daddy. So you cut through the line for the Hagrid's people. Yep, we're all here. Okay, so this does have Express Pass. So you just gotta have your little lanyard available with your Express Pass on it, and they'll scan it up here just like how Fast Pass is. Though it only said like a 10-minute wait anyways, so I guess it's not that big of a deal this morning. That was a cute little ride, huh? It has like a screen and it kind of showed you like You notice if you were looking out the window through the train. That was really cute. And this took us over to Universal Studios. This looks more like the station I remember from that first movie I watched with you. Yeah?
Because now the other one was already in Hogwarts. Because they went through it and then they'd be in this, and then they would take that train over to Hogwarts.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Then whenever you want to leave, they go on that.
Yep. Okay.
See them from there, they go through one of these poles.
You gonna try and go through one of these poles?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh, didn't work. Do we know where we're going? Okay.
I might get a shirt later from there. That did not tell me what it is. Oh, look there.
Yeah, there's the bus. Driver head in there that talks to you. Yeah. Yeah, see that little head hanging there? Oh, I think we have to go through here. Follow Daddy. Oh, okay, this is Diagon Alley, right? Is this, okay.
What's this, Mommy?
This is Diagon Alley. This is what we saw, I think, from the first one. Remember when he has his list of stuff for school, right? I do remember that.
He's here. You know?
Yep, I do remember that. He has to go to all the different shops and get all his stuff. Whoa!
Remember, if you get the wand, you can like do that, you know?
Yeah. This is cool. I actually like this area. Oops.
I'm sorry.
No worries, no worries.
You get the wand.
This is actually a cooler area. Oh, there's Gringotts Bank, so maybe that's where the ride is at, or by here. I don't know. Look at the dragon. Whoa. Oh, that's where you get your wand, I guess. Ooh, that line is long. Look at all this cool stuff. Okay, we have Express Pass.
Moving on to the security to have your Gringotts identification.
It looks grumpy.
Ready?
Yes.
Now you got a longer wait still. It's probably just a little lobbier.
See all those things?
It's fine. It's just stairs.
This kid's tired of waiting. So we just got off of Escape from Gringotts. Escape from Gringotts. That was cute. It was a longer wait because they were only running like one side, but I thought it was cute, right? So now I think we're gonna go find maybe a wand for the boys. I'm not quite sure. It's very busy in here though, so you kind of have to like maneuver and stay together. So I guess they have a whole show for like doing the wands in here. That's what that line was for out there. But we just decided to forgo the show.
Did they show you how to do it?
I think the wands pick you in this one. I'm not sure. I don't really know. But the wait was really long. So we just came in here and the boys picked out some that looked cool. What's yours called? Nicholas, what is it?
It looks like flame or something.
And of course,
can't see
Aaron
what
picked the
it
best one for him.
Yes. Here you can see it. It's a little.
Okay, maybe once we get out, let's pay for it first because it's really crammed in. Wands all over the place.
All these boxes around here are all red.
I know. Once we get outside, you can show us, okay? Woo! That is scary. That's too much in that shop for Mama.
That's probably the egg.
Excited? Oh my gosh, this is overwhelming. I feel bad because I feel like I'm not appreciating everything. This area to me is so much cooler than the other place, I think. So much detail and everything. But it's overwhelming. There's just stuff everywhere. Yeah, the sugar plum sweet shop, maybe that's what I was thinking. Maybe we'd find those chocolate frogs. All right, let's go in here and see what we can find for sweets. There is? Okay, you show me. Oh, there's lots of stuff here. Oh yeah, chocolate frogs, 2 for 30. Oop. Why don't we get one?
No, Aaron, there's 3 of them.
Yeah, there's stuff in there, so there'll be enough for us to try.
How big are they?
Oh, a chocolate wand.
I really want this.
No, you have a regular wand. That was.
Oh, please. I want
No,
to eat
we
it.
have the.
Oh.
Maybe you could use the one to turn your wand into a chocolate.
There you go. Let me see what it looks like. Cool.
That's the right way.
Yes, that is the right way. That's the handle.
So they have like a little magic.
That's cool.
The Death Reaper.
Let's see. Let's see a close-up of the end pieces.
The frogs.
Nice.
Frog.
I think yours will look like this because look at how big it is.
No melt ice cream. Ooh. Pumpkin pastry. That sounds yummy. Chocolate mint swirl fudge. Ooh, sugar plum apple. This stuff always looks very yummy. Oh, look at the little cauldron cake. Look how cute that is. I know. Ginger. Is it newt cookie? Looks like a little. Yeah.
Chocolate skeleton. Honestly, I have no idea what that is.
Oh. I don't know if you should bite the head. Maybe a foot. See, there's a little camera right here. So hold it straight. Do a small little circle.
Small little circle.
Nope, smaller. There you go.
And I know I put that.
Got it.
Yep. Now it's going down. There you go. Alright, so we got out of Diagon Alley. Kids got wands. I think I showed you that. We got a chocolate frog. Now we are headed to the Mummy. Oh, right in front of me. Do we? Oh, you gotta go to Express. Oh, I had to put everything in a locker?
Yeah.
Okay. We need multiple lockers now because we've been buying lots of stuff. So I'll put you away and tell you what it's like afterwards. Well, that's definitely an old school ride, but it was fun. Scary parts for like little kids. Just one main scary part for my boys, but Noah was a brave one and sat on the end, huh? First time riding it, yeah. It's fun. We are on our way over to E.T. You've watched the movie, huh? E.T. Phone Home.
Watch a little bit.
A little bit? Oh, I thought you saw the whole thing.
I wanted to watch it on the plane. I'm playing here, but
So we wanted to go to the Bourne Stuntacular show, but we got there like 5 minutes late and they were at capacity, so we're gonna try and do the next one. So we're gonna run over here to ET and do this one real quick. This one has express pass too. that ride was so cute. I know everyone says it's like lame and whatever, but it's so sweet and it's so cute, and it's like, it reminds, you know, it's just kind of like Peter Pan-esque, but you know, telling the story and the cute stuff, and I like that ride. What did you boys think?
I thought it was cute.
You liked it? Yeah, what about it, Daddy?
I like it. It's good nostalgia.
Yeah, it's cute. There's SpongeBob. We just missed them. There's Patrick, dancing fish. There's Squidward. Bye, SpongeBob. Okay, so we just got done with the stunt show, and that was so cool. It definitely was like neat how they did like the screen with like all the stunts, I guess. I don't know. Oh, I think we're walking the wrong way. Follow Daddy. It's like really cool technology. They have a big screen and they've got live actors, and they kind of mix it all together where it's like hard to tell like what's moving and what's not. So I think we're done with Universal right now, and we're gonna head to lunch. So I'm gonna end the vlog, and we'll see you next time. Go live your Disney goals. Bye.